So under the Appearance menu, we have looked at how to search and install a theme, how to customize it, and let's look further at widgets. Click on widgets. Now widgets are little boxes with different functions which you could display on your WordPress website. You could display widgets on your sidebar, like here, which will appear here. This is your sidebar. You could also have widgets installed at different areas depending on the theme that you are using. These are the available widgets, and these are the current widgets that we are using on the sidebar. Now let's learn how to remove some of those widgets that we don't need and only use those that we want. We will try to replicate the widgets on the right side over here on this website carthq.co. So let's return to the widgets area and remove this recent comments widget. Click delete. Let's remove archives as well, categories, and meta. Go back and refresh. So all those other widgets have disappeared. Now let's change the name of this widget to recent articles. You could choose how many posts that you want to display on the widget, or even display the post date. Click Save and refresh. So the title has been changed to Recent Articles. Now let's learn how to add a widget to show an image. This is an image widget here. So click on it and drag it over to the sidebar here. So this is where we could show an image on the sidebar. So let's pick this image here, get it on Google Play and available on App Store, and then we'll link to the Google Play as well as the App Store. To do that, go ahead and add that image. First, we need to upload it here. Change the title to Google Play and add to widget. For the link, we're just gonna copy this link and paste it here and click Save. Then refresh this page to see the result. There you have it. Next, let's do the same for App Store. Again, drag this and drop it here. Find that image, this over here, and add to widget. For the link, just copy this link and paste it here and click Save. Return to our page and there we can see the results. Let's pick a widget on the left side here and drag it onto the sidebar. Let's pick the parrot forms here, which will create a Contact Us page or a Contact Us widget on the sidebar. Let's give it a name, called contact us. And for the text, we will say any questions and click save. Return to your site and click refresh. So now we have a contact us widget displaying a form on our sidebar here. It's as simple as that.